Hi everyone, I'm Natalie Barbu and I am one of the co-founders and CEO of Rella, and welcome to the University of Rella, where we're going to show you exactly how to make the most out of your subscription with Rella. Once your accounts are connected, you can view your analytics. Go to your social space and hit Analytics. From here, you'll see the cross-platform overview that includes all the accounts that you have connected. You'll be able to see an overview, platform details, platform performance analysis, and top performing posts across all platforms. If you want to see each platform individually, just click on this button and hit the individual platform. You can change the date range of your analytics, and you can choose to get Ella insights on your analytics as well. Here are some AI insights. It's actually going to tell you what's working and what's not, and you can ask Ella to apply it. For the individual platforms, you can also see the top posts for that platforms and filter it by any of these metrics. And you can also see your follower demographics. If you need to create a report, just go to Reports, Create, select the platforms you want to create a report for, choose whether or not you want an AI analysis in the report, hit Done, and then it created the report for you. You can scroll through and see your report and change the platform, and you can also see your AI insights and recommendations. If you click into each insight, it tells you what it means and what it's been based off of. And then you can share these reports with your clients by going to Share, anyone with the link, Copy link, or Share via email. If you need to view any of your old reports, just click on Reports, View, and all of your previous reports can be found here.